हरि ओम। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीं अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। Bhagavad Gita, a conversation with God daily. In this series, today, chapter 11, shloka number 15. Arjuna uvacha Pashyami devan tava deva dehe sarvamstatha bhuta vishesha sanghan brahmanamisham kamalasanastham rishimscha sarvan uraganscha divyan. Now Arjuna says, yesterday we stopped with Arjuna totally amazed with hair standing on end, fell at Krishna's feet and with his hands saluting Krishna, he says. With that we stopped yesterday. Today, what does Arjuna say? Pashyami devan tava deva dehe. Oh God, I see all gods in your body. It means he is the Devadi Deva. He is the God of all gods. So all gods are seen in his body. Bhuta Vishesha Sanghan, all objects in this universe, animate, inanimate, all objects, whatever has been formed by the combination of the 5 elements, all those are seen in your body. I am able to see Lord Brahma seated on the lotus. The earth is actually the lotus, and I am able to see divine serpents. Aneka bahudara vaktra netram pashyami tvam sarvato anantarupam nantam na madhyam na punastavadim pashyami vishveshwara vishwarupa. I am able to see numerous hands, numerous faces and numerous eyes. So many. Sahasra Sirsha Purushaha Sahasraksha Sahasrapad. That is, everything is he. And your form is actually endless. And I am seeing endless forms in you. So many forms in you. I am not able to see any end for this form. I am not able to see the middle. and I am not able to see a beginning also. Means it is just pervading everywhere. No beginning, no middle, no end. Oh, Lord of the entire universe. Kiritinam gadinam chakrinam cha tejo rashim sarvato diptimantam pashyami tvam durniriksham samantad diptanalarka dhyutim aprameyam. I see you with a crown. You have a mace and a discus, a chakra, and you are seen as a total. You are seen as light itself, and you are illumining everything. Everywhere there is light. I am able to see you. I am able to see this form. Durnirekshyam. The darshan that cannot be had, the form that cannot be seen. That I am able to see. And I am able to see you as the burning fire or the radiant sun. Actually, the burning fire or very bright sun you will not be able to see. Like that, this form is so bright that I am unable to see it. Tvam aksharam paramam veditavyam tvamasya vishwasya param nidhanam tvam avyayas sashvata dharma gopta sanatanastvam purusho mato me. And Arjuna says, Tvam Aksharam, you are that imperishable. You are that supreme truth that should be known. You are the base, the refuge of this entire universe. You totally have no decay at all. And you are the guardian of the eternal dharma. You are the guardian of that Sanatana Dharma. And you are that eternal Purusha. You have been there always. And you have been the protector also of Sanatana Dharma always. That Dharma also has been there eternally. And you have been its protector eternally. So, Sanatana Dharma. What we are following, this dharma has been there since ages. We just can't say since how many years, how many millions of years, since how many yugas, since how many kalpas. It has been there always. The Sanatana Dharma. That the Brahman is the creator of this entire universe. And it is that Brahman which exists everywhere. It alone exists. It existed before. It exists now. It will exist in the future. Always. It is only the Brahman that exists. And the various paths to realize this truth. The way of living life that beings are born on this earth based on their karma, and they experience happiness and grief because of their karma. You do good, you actually get good. You do something bad, then you have to experience something bad. This law can never be changed. It is based on this that the entire universe, it revolves. And unless you are free of this karma, you are born again and again. The cycle of birth and death. So there is something called that next birth. The various dharmic values to be followed. Papa, punya. What are the things called dharma? What is dharma? What is adharma? Everything. The way of life is actually Sanatana Dharma. That is our religion. We call it Hinduism. Actually, that was not its name. It was a name which was given for it. It is just the Sanatana Dharma. It applies to everyone. The Sanatana Dharma is true for the entire universe. The Creator is the same for everyone. Not that India was created by someone, America was created by someone else, South Africa was created by someone else. The Christians were created by some other god. The Muslims were created by some other god. No, all were created by that one Creator. And the way to live life by all, to live life properly and to attain the highest, how should it be done? That is Sanatana Dharma, the eternal truth, the eternal way of life prescribed by the Shastras, prescribed by that Supreme God Himself. So that is Sanatana Dharma. It is actually common for everyone. Anyone can follow this Dharma. It doesn't pertain to any particular religion or anything. And the protector of that Dharma is God Himself. So, not that someone was born and he actually formed a set of values and then that is being preached and so many actually strive hard to protect this Dharma. No. It has been existing always and it has been protected by God Himself. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyuttanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. Whenever there is a decline in this dharma, when adharma actually increases, then I create myself. I am born on this earth in order to protect that dharma. So, Shashvata Dharma Gopta Sanatanaha Tvam Purusho Mato Me Anadimadhyantam Ananta Viryam Ananta Bahum Sashi Surya Netram Pashyami Tvam Deepta Hutasha Vaktram Swatejasa Vishwamidam Tapantam. I see you as one without any beginning, any middle or any end, and with immense valor, unlimited valor, and you are having countless arms, so many arms you are having. The sun and the moon are your eyes. And I am able to see fire in your mouth. You are actually heating the entire universe with your radiance. Dhyava prithivyoridhamantaram hi vyaptam tvayaikena dishascha sarvaha Drishtvaadbhutam roopamugram tavedam lokatrayam pravyathitam mahatman. And you are actually pervading the entire space between the earth and the sky. The whole thing is pervaded by your form. Tvaya ekena. By you alone, single-handedly, you are just pervading the entire space, everywhere, in all directions. And looking at this amazing form, this terrifying, cruel form, the three worlds are just trembling. They are so frightened. Amihi tvam surasanga vishanti kechid bhita pranjalayo grinanti swasti tyuktva maharshi siddha sanghaha stuvanti tvam stutibihi pushkalabhihi. And now Arjuna had expressed the doubt. Will we win this war? I don't know if we are going to win this war or if they are going to win. Now, Krishna shows that victory will be for the Pandavas. All the Devas who had actually taken birth on this earth in order to reduce the burden of earth, in order to destroy all the adharmic people. They all are now entering Krishna's mouth. They are all going back. Over. Mission accomplished. For whatever we came, it is over. So they are all now going back. Dharma has been established. They are entering Krishna's mouth. And some, so terrified, they are saluting Krishna and pleading for his mercy. They are just unable to look at the terrifying things that are happening. They are unable to flee also. So they are just screaming for help. And all the rishis, swasti iti yuktva maharshi siddha sanghaha, the siddhas, the rishis, they are just looking at all the suffering, the immense destruction that is happening, and they are saying prayers. They are actually extolling you. Let goodness be on earth. Let goodness prevail on this earth. Let good things happen everywhere. They are saying stotras. Rudraditya vasavo ye cha sadhya vishveshvinau marutaschoshmapascha gandharva yaksha sura siddha sangha dikshante tvam vismitaschaiva sarve. Rudraditya vasavo ye cha sadhya, all the Rudras, the Ekadasha Rudras, the Dwadasha Adityas, the Ashtavasus, the Ashwini Kumaras, the Maruts, the Pitrus, the Gandharvas like Ha Ha Hu Hu, the Yakshas like Kubera, the Siddhas like Sage Kapila, the Asuras like Virochana, all, they are just looking at you in astonishment. They are just wonderstruck. They are unable to believe what they are seeing. We'll just stop with this for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Hari Om.